Win one ad and earn $6. Watch 10 ads and earn $62. In today's video, I will show you how to earn money just by watching videos. Now, the easiest way to get paid is through PayPal. So if you want to set up a quick account, you can do it from anywhere in the world on PayPal. But don't worry, and there are many other ways if we refer to this site. This is my favorite to get money on this particular site. But you can write me in the comments which payments method is more convenient for you. This site has different payment options. They have payment method, RTM, crypto, Amazon gift cards, and various other ways like Skrill and PayPal or directly to your bank account. If you prefer to do this, all you have to do is click this withdraw button and the money will be transferred to you as soon as possible. Now this site is called getpaid2.com. Exactly how to get started with it on this site, because there are so many different ways. I don't want you to know and I don't want you to spend a lot of time on this. So what we're going to do is they're going to join for free today. Okay, you want to join for free. Set up your account and then it will send you to dashboard. As you can see, there are many different things here. As you can see, there are many different things here. Obviously, you can start earning points right away. 2,000 points and 20,000 points here. And on the right side here are a lot of people cashing out as we speak. But there is a special area on this site that pays you for watching ads and gives you the most money. So what we are going to do is actually keep earning points, and then we are going to do into special offer. We go to this page now. There are various sites that have these offers where you can click a button and start watching a quick ad, and you know the tips that should be in your account, and then you can transfer them to money. What you are going to do is click a specific offer, click an ad, a place that shows you right here where we can get the most points. So you simply know that by pressing this button, and ad will prepare, and then we will get the points in your account, so we can get different points from get different parts. There are so many different promotions, and you can literally go down and start doing all of these and collect your points. It literally takes 10 to 30 minutes, but it doesn't matter. If it's on the weekends, you have extra time, you just want to spend a few hours raking up your points, you can spend a lot of time on it, I can tell. The next best place is offer through, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start working on the process itself. So let me show you how by clicking on these buttons we can actually see the ads and then get paid a portion of them. So if we go back to the dashboard, the members dashboard right here, when you go to the home page, you press, you want to scroll down and you see there's a referral programs. So it says refer, earn extra points in my generous referral programs. The first things you're going to do is it takes us here by pressing this story, and then it says refer and get money. Invite your friends and tell them how easy it is to earn 15% of every points your performance earns. What we want you to do is go to a specific Facebook group, type make money online, click on groups and select public, and here no need to ask for a link. And then you want to make money online with what's cool about some of them. One of these groups is that they let you allows you to post in place link. The best thing it does is make money online here, and it has 111,000 members, and then click on your referrals. So we join in this group, and this brings us to the group. As you can see, a lot of people are posting their links. So you never do that. What they did is put a screenshot of his dashboard, and what I'll send you more detail if you're interested. So what you need to do is to join all the groups and share your links so that you can earn good money online.